Wow. All right, you guys, we are starting off with our Pillsbury Grand's biscuits. And I thought I'd spray my pan first, so I did go ahead and do that because I forgot. But now I'm quickly just placing my Grand's biscuits into my greased 9x13 baking dish. Just fit them in there however you can. That looks good to me. Now I have 1 pound of cooked Jimmy Dean sausage that I'm quickly just gonna dump all over those biscuits and into those little holes where we don't have any food. All right, and then just spread that out a little bit all over the top of your biscuits. All right, that looks so good already. Now we have some cheese. I have Mexican style, but you can use cheddar if you like, Colby Jack. Totally feel free to switch up your cheeses. This is just what I had at home. Usually I would use cheddar for this, but we're going fancy today. We're gonna use about a cup of this Mexican cheese. And then we're gonna take some mozzarella cheese that is also shredded, and then we're gonna add a cup of that right on top as well for this delicious and easy breakfast. My husband absolutely loves when I make this breakfast for him. So yeah, you just gotta go ahead and get that cheese all over everything. Let's hurry up and get this going. You can take your time if you want, but I'm trying to go fast for you guys. Okay, now, right here, we have 8 eggs that I already cracked, of course, and then we have a cup of milk. This is just some whole milk. Okay, now we have some salt that we're gonna add to our eggs. Just add however, oh, this is kind of stuck, how much salt you like. And then we have some pepper. We're gonna do the same thing, just kind of add as much pepper as you would like to this. And then you're gonna take a whisk, and you're just gonna start whisking your eggs and your milk and your seasonings all together until it's nice and combined. All right, once everything is nice and combined, we're gonna take this and we're just gonna pour it over the top of everything. There we go. This always comes out so perfectly. So that was it. We are popping this in the oven at 425 for 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, this comes out so perfectly every time. Let's go ahead and get us a biscuit with some sausage and some egg. Yum. Would you look at that? Wow. That looks awesome. Yes. That is so good.